All right, so I want to make sure for one-page apps we get Visual Studio Code. So quickest way to do that is get into the browser, type Visual Studio Code into the search, get you over to code.visualstudio, and then you've got your download options. Download it for your machine, you're good to go. Mac, Windows, Linux, etc. Excellent. So download that, then install it. You've got a good editor, and we use that for everything. Now, I'm already launched up the editor. I've got it really going, and I'm doing one-page app, and it does really cool stuff for us. But the important part would be, like, let's say I made an HTML page. It's got P5.js loaded off the web on it, and it's got Sketch.js. And if I was just looking at it like this, I can't tell what it's doing, but I need to preview it. I need to work with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get something called LiveServer. So to get to LiveServers, there's these little things called extensions. And it's this funny little block here. So it's 3 plus 1. So in this extension area, type into the search live and then maybe server. But we're just going to use LiveServer real quick. You click that, you hit the install button. It takes a few seconds and you get the install. And the cool part is you get this Go Live piece. And the Go Live piece does exactly what you want. It goes live with the page. So if I go back to this HTML page, I can see the links. I have sketch.js, and I'll hit go live, boom, and it's going to launch a page, bang, and now I have my ellipse drawn. Now you didn't know that, but that was in the sketch.js. I can actually go over to it. And there it is. Set up the page, draw me an ellipse. So if I just wanted to change this to an 80 by 80, I'll just do this. I can hit save. And in fact, it's already doing it. And it's doing funny things, which is why we've actually got to do some work to figure it out, which is that the structure of the page has a canvas on it, and that canvas is really tiny. So when I bumped up the ellipse, it drew off the canvas. So we have to do things like fix that. But that's what this is for. So one-page apps, p5.js, and we'll hook in Teachable Machine and other cool stuff after that.